Hey everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to sideload Android apps on your Windows 11 PC using Windows Subsystem for Android. No complicated setup. Just a few simple steps. First, make sure Windows Subsystem for Android is already installed on your PC. Once that's done, head to the Start menu and open Windows Subsystem for Android settings. From the left menu, find Developer Mode and turn it on. This step is crucial because sideloading apps relies on a DB, which only works when developer mode is enabled. Next, click Manage Developer Settings. And in the screen that opens, enable USB debugging. If you've used Android before, this screen will look very familiar now. To simplify sideloading, download WSA PacMan from GitHub. It's a graphical installer for APK files. And you can even grab the portable version if you don't want to install anything. Once installed, open WSA PacMan, and if everything's working, it'll show a connected status dot after that. You can close both WSA and WSA PacMan. They don't need to stay open. Just find the APK file you want to install, double it, and WSA PacMan handles the rest. You'll get a clean install prompt just like you would on an Android device. Once installed, the app will function like any other Windows app, and you can even pin it to your desktop. That's it. You're now ready to sideload Android apps on Windows 11? Like and subscribe for more quick tech tips.